I'm eating halal at Central Park. I've never had it before.
Let's see.
I'm halfway done with it. And it's good. Pero I should probably try it from a halal restaurant, but halal. Lamb and chicken
With white sauce.
with a sauce and un arroz más largo que no sé, bien largo. But this is what I'm having right now. Here in Central Park, this is my breakfast / lunch. But that's it, guys. I'll be putting up videos of the festivities. Halal that I just had is okay. Y esta no me dijo que yo tenía el pelo engreñado. So here I go. But I'm in front of Central Park over here.
Tell them that you want 76
And I'm on East 76th Street
and 5th Avenue.
and 5th Avenue.